So I just saw a video earlier about a girl who was in a taxi and she witnessed a gay person experiencing homophobia from people in a taxi. And that really just made me feel sad because I also have experienced that before. And it shows how much homophobia is in Durban. It's disgusting, I'm not gonna lie, for lack of a better word. So let me tell you how I got homophobia or experienced homophobia in Durban in a taxi. So basically I was still working in Hillcrest. There's a suburb called Hillcrest that I was working in, or rather at, and so ekhaya kufanele ngibele itaxi ngiye Pinetown Rank, then from Pinetown Rank take a taxi to Hillcrest. I used to do that every time going to work, no problem. So this one specific time, because I was like not in the mood and I knew how men are eThekwini in terms of homophobia, I was dressed up in the most guyish way. I was just wearing a track pant, a sweater. I was just like looking like a guy. There was nothing that would say that I'm gay, you know. Now Futhi, I'm wearing like that to accommodate them because that's not how I want to wear. But I'm like, just to, you know, perfect. I take a taxi. From home, I go to Pinetown. It was a Sunday. I get, usually that day, it takes like Gwalanga, so they had to leave. It takes like Gwalanga. It was like maybe like 12. I mean, nyan. It takes like Gwele, and there's no many people going to work to Hillcrest. So therefore, your Pumi takes inga Gwele. Fine. It was, and I remember specifically, it was 2 men, 1 woman at the back, the taxi driver. Right. So mina ngihlele emuva kwa taxi driver, then these 2 men after me, then Luas is ngihlele back seats. Fine, I taxi suke Pinetown, ihambe taxi. And then somehow before it taxi ngene ku freeway othatha uphume rank yase Pinetown, kuno freeway othatha mesungena ku freeway oye Hillcrest. Before it taxi fike lapho athi sisi ukhohlwe imali yakhe or something, ucela ukudelika. Ayina ngaphela delika, medelika sekusele utaxi driver, umina nobody about 2 baba, in fact ngoba khulile nje labantu emuva kwami. Hayi, ngaphela itaxi ngene freeway, it goes. As the taxi goes, these 2 men behind me start speaking like amagama buhlungu about the gay people, of course. Lakhona, I'm quiet, I'm on my phone, but I can hear them. They're speaking so loud so that I can hear them. And as I hear them, I'm like, oh, Nkosi, not today. You know, homophobia again. I taxi hambe. Then they realize that I'm not responding, I'm quiet, I'm not even attending to them. Baboni would say, no. They continue. Now they are swearing at me about being gay, you know. They're pointing me and they're saying, Itaban. I'm like, oh, Jesus Christ, can I just get to work because this cannot be it, you know? The taxi goes. As the taxi goes, the language becomes worse. Ngiyathuka manje, you know, saying all of these things. Now they keep on tapping on me. Ngithi nje hayi uphenduka guy. At all. The taxi keeps on going. Now we are on the freeway to Hillcrest. One of them continues to tap on my shoulder and the other one continues to say these words. I'm like, I'm not gonna respond. I'm not gonna even look back. You know, I'm just waiting. Ukuthi udriver agijime nje le moto ngifike emsebenzini ngisafe. 5 minutes after that, they stop for like a while. Then they start again these words. Then now they continue looking kanje, you know. At some point, I'm like, at this point. Then, to tell you that the last time he did this, that's all I said. And then after that, I'm making this video because now I feel that I have healed enough to talk about it. But before, I really didn't want to talk about this because I don't think so the minute the both of them just stand up and they just start hitting me. They just start hitting me and I'm a defenseless young boy to them. These are grown men. To them, I am defenseless. As I said, I'm sitting I stand up to like for myself and I stand by the door because I'm like, what the hell is going on? And all of that. Taxi driver can see everything that's happening, but he's just quiet as a mouse. uyayidrivela nje itaxi yakhe ukuthi ngiyashawa, he doesn't care. Ngibona ukuthi these people are not they ngiyashawa la and abazoyeka, you know, abazoyeka, because you could see that they were just in the moment of hitting me. They had so much anger towards me that I don't know of. I feel like mhlawumbe kube mhlawumbe ngangigqokise okwentombazane noma ngifake inywele noma ngangibaphendula, maybe that would maybe grant them the anger that they had for me, but they just kept on hitting me, and I'm like, the person that I think is gonna help me, the taxi driver, is not gonna do that. Vele ngithi mina ngicela ukudilika on the freeway. I'm like, ngicela ukwehla bandla, ngicela ukwehla, like I'm crying. I'm like, ngicela ukwehla. Nangabala for taxi driver, to show that he doesn't care, he stops the car, the taxi, and I got off. I'm sitting now I'm crying because I'm like, this is my first time ever experience homophobia kanje. I was used to just people looking me sideways and some people saying some words, but I've never been attacked physically for being gay. I've never experienced that in my entire life. Whereas from never been one person, two people. And you know, I was crying. And then I was like, because there's a lot of distance from where the taxi driver dropped me off to my workplace. So I was like, I have to stop crying because I'm on a freeway. So the more I cry, the more I can't see. And the more I can't see, the more the possibility of me being hit by a car. So I had to stop crying. I had to control my tears and be like, Lungelo, you need to stop crying because you're going to die from the road. I stopped crying. I walk until I get to work. Immediately as I got to work, I just broke down because I'm like, what the hell is wrong with abantu? Yeah, let's not get emotional, but yeah, it really just showed that Durban, there's a long way to go for Durban because no, and I do hope that everyone living in Durban that is gay stays safe because damn. Thank you for listening. Anyways, thank you so much for listening.
Hello good people, welcome to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Good people, imagine getting into a taxi, just trying to go about your day, and suddenly you are being judged just for who you are. This is so sad. This is heartbreaking. Good people, let's learn to accommodate each other. Let's learn to be patient to each other, especially if lo muntu lowo is a totally stranger to you. Bekezela nizokwehla eTaxini or uzohlukana naye uqhubeke nempilo yakho naye asiqhubekele nempilo yakhe, because this is a free world. Umuntu unelungelo lokuba the way afuna ukuba ngakhona. Yeah, please comment below, tell us what do you think. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulungile, bye. See you on the next one.